Hi, I'm Joyce, and this is my Holdframe workshop. Working with Semi-Permanent on the 2018 titles was a truly rewarding experience for me. This grand collaboration was the perfect opportunity to explore the idea of creative tension, deep dive into process, and work with some amazingly talented people from all over the world. In this workshop, we'll discuss what the initial brief was like, how I landed on the direction and creative development of the film, the importance of collaboration, our workflow and how we pull this off remotely, and finally, what it took to finish this project and turn these ideas into a finished animation. I hope you enjoy.